How to fix and solve device limit reached Spotify. So if you want to fix and solve device limit reached Spotify, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Spotify application. Once you open up your Spotify, you need to go with the upper left, which has that profile option. Tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you will have the option of view account. But if you don't get the option right here, then you can open up your Spotify on your browser, which will be easy for you. So open up your browser. On your browser, you need to search for Spotify. After that, tap on open.spotify.com. Make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now you need to go with settings, which is on the top right. And here you will have log out option. So you can go with view account. And after that, you can scroll down and scroll down again and go with settings and privacy. Tap on sign out everywhere. And from here, you can tap on sign out everywhere. And it will be logged out or signed out from each and every device. And it won't say the device limit reached on your Spotify. So tap on sign out everywhere and sign out from everywhere. Once you sign out that from everywhere, now you can go back, go with your application, try to log in, and it won't give you the problem. That's how you can fix and solve device limit reached on Spotify problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.